In this video, I will show you how to do tasks with Outlier AI, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. In order to delete Outlier AI account, you have to follow this step. Log in with your Outlier. Start by logging into your Outlier with your credential on the website or app. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard will display your recent activities, alert and key metrics. Set up your data sources to start tasks in Outlier. You need to connect your data sources. Go to the settings or integration in the main menu. Select and authorize the platform you want to integrate, such as Google Analytics, Salesforce or custom database. Create or select a task from the dashboard. Click on the task or workflows. You can create a new task by specifying your objective, whether it is monitoring, trends, anomalies, and specific metrics. Outlier will guide you through the configuring the task parameters. Customize the task parameters. Choose the specific data points you want to track. Outlier allow you to filter by the time category and metric threshold, so you get alert and insight on relevant data. Only you can set up the frequency for the task for like daily or weekly real-time review insight and alert. Once set up of Outlier, you will announce your data and provide alerts on unusual pattern, outlier or key trend. Check the alert section to view this insight. You can click on each alert to see details and suggested action. Share or export findings to share your result. You can export reports or use Outlier share features. This enables you to distribute your insight via email or integrate them into presentation and dashboard. And that's it, you are done.